So you've ordered one of our magnetic fridge planners and you've gotten your complimentary chalk pen, and for the life of you can't get the thing working. Well, here's Sophia to give you a few quick tips to make sure you get it working every time. Take it away, Sophia.
So when you get your planner, you're going to get your acrylic fridge planner and a complimentary pen. It'll be a white one to match the ink, but for the purposes of this demonstration, I'm going to use a color just so you can see. So when you get it, give it a little bit of a shake. You'll be able to hear the thing inside kind of moving up and down. And then open it, and then all you need to do is on the surface of the acrylic planner, all you need to do is pump it a few times. Maybe 1, 2, 3, 4. And then if you don't see anything, pop the lid back on, give it another shake. And then repeat that pumping motion again. Maybe a few times. Yeah, if you have to do it a few times, don't worry, it will start flowing. Give it another shake. And look, there we go. We can start writing. And if you would like an array of colors, there's a link in the description.
Now, don't forget to recap your pen. You don't want the ink to dry out, and we want you to be able to use this pen in the future. If this video has been helpful, don't forget to let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more future content. See you in the next video.